With its latest cordless tool system, Bosch has gone where no man has gone before, to a totally new dimension in cordless power tools. Experience the new 36-volt lithium-ion tool system from Bosch, providing a performance level known so far only to corded tools. One of the first tools to come equipped with this revolutionary 36-volt lithium-ion battery is the new cordless rotary hammer GBH 36-volt. Once unleashed, it tackles even drill diameters up to 26 millimeters, thanks to the enormous power of the new pneumatic impact mechanism. It's so powerful, it even matches the drilling performance of the strongest corded 2 kilo